This video will show you the safest way for someone to transfer from a car into a wheelchair or to a walking frame. Whether you're getting in or out of the car, we recommend having a helper if possible, as wheelchair transfers are easier and safer as a three-person job. So, let's look at getting out of the car. Assess the area for risks. Ensure there's enough space around the car and check for curbs or uneven surfaces that could pose a hazard. Get the wheelchair into position on the passenger side toward the rear of the car. Apply the brakes and make sure the foot plates are not installed. We'll add these later. Your helper can then sit in the driver's seat to support the person from behind as they get out of the car. Open the car door as wide as it will go and place the walking frame within reach. The person should turn in the seat. They can use the back of the seat or the door frame for support as they bring their outside leg down onto the ground, followed by their inside leg. The person may have difficulty lifting their legs out of the car, so offer assistance if necessary. They then shuffle forward to the edge of the seat, ready to stand. Get the walking frame into position in the door opening. Guard the person's head as they bring their weight forward and stand up. They can use the seat or dashboard for support. Avoid using the door as it could move. The person should then take hold of the walking frame one hand at a time. Once the person is stable on the walking frame, they can start to turn around. Assist them as necessary. Your helper can now move the wheelchair into position behind the person and apply the brakes. The person can now take hold of the arms of the wheelchair one hand at a time. They can then lower themselves back into the chair. You can support them if necessary. You can now release the brakes and ask the person to lift their feet so that you can roll them back clear of the passenger door. Make sure the front wheels do not come into contact with the person's heels. Apply the brakes once more. Now we install the foot plates on the wheelchair and secure the person using the lap belt if required. Once the person's feet are safely on the foot plates, you can move the walking frame out of the way and close the door. Finally, release the brakes on the wheelchair and move away when you're ready. We have another video on the easiest way to get a wheelchair in and out of a car, which we'll link below.